In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run an email campaign for free on Constant Contact. Before you begin, it is important to understand one key detail. Constant Contact does not offer a permanent free plan. Instead, it usually gives new users access through a free trial, which typically lasts somewhere between 14 and 60 days depending on the offer available at the time. So if your goal is to run an email campaign for free, you will usually be doing it during that trial period. Once you have access to your account, log in to Constant Contact. After you are inside the dashboard, go to the Campaigns tab. This is where you create and manage your marketing emails. From there, select the option to create a new campaign. When the platform asks what kind of campaign you want to build, choose Email. Next, you will be taken to the Template section. Here you can pick a design that matches the kind of message you want to send. Choose a template that feels clean and easy to read. Once you select it, customize the layout so it fits your brand or message. This is where you shape the overall look of your email. After that, edit the actual content inside the template. Update the text so your message is clear and useful. Add or replace images where needed, and make sure any links in the email go to the correct pages. This part is important because your content should be easy for the reader to understand and act on. Keep the design simple and make sure the email looks organized. When your email content is ready, click Continue. Constant Contact will then guide you to the audience selection stage. Here, choose the contact list that you want to send the campaign to. Make sure you select the correct list so the message reaches the right people. Next, set your subject line and pre-header. The subject line is what people see first in their inbox, so it should be clear and relevant. The pre-header gives a little extra context and can help improve open rates by supporting the subject line. Finally, choose whether you want to send the email immediately or schedule it for later. If everything looks good and you are ready to go, click Send Now. If you want it to go out at a specific time, click Schedule and choose the delivery time that works best for your campaign. That covers everything you need to know.